NTV's Bailey Howard joins us live now with more on that. Bailey.
Hi, Tony. Whether it's a specialist appointment, surgery, or cancer care, today, the leader Tony Wakeham said that a PC government would fully cover the costs of medical transportation.
We are now into week 2 of this election, and I think the contrast between the different campaigns is becoming clear.
In the PC's fourth healthcare announcement since the campaign kicked off, Wakeham said here at the Gander Airport will be the hub of a new routine provincial medical air transportation service if his party wins the election.
This medical air service will travel to key healthcare hubs across the province, helping patients get from their home region to their appointments. But its home base will be right here in Gander.
The Tory leader couldn't place a dollar amount or timeline for the project, but says the process would begin right after the election. He says to fund the project, the party would use money from the $500 million medical transportation program announced by the Liberal government.
There wasn't a lot of details about what's included in that, but I'm quite confident that if there's $500 million to be spent on providing that type of service, that we can look and find the money needed for this one within that total allocation.
Wakeham was joined by the PC Gander candidate, Tom Healy. Healy has a long history of working for NAV Canada right here at the Gander Airport. He says with healthcare being the #1 issue he's hearing from residents of the area, today's announcement would be important for them.
I like the PC party's platform because I don't like the idea of spending basically on times we think for the sake of spending. I want to ensure that we are proactive in taking care of everybody in our province, and yeah, that's it.
Wakeham made a visit to the Interfaith Goodwill Centre and Food Bank in Lewisport this morning. He then reiterated his plans for a poverty reduction strategy for the province.
100%. A poverty reduction strategy is needed. We had one, as I said. It was considered one of the best in the country, and we need to get back to that.
A big focus for Wakeham during that announcement today was that not only will his party cover the costs for people to get to their medical appointments, will also cover the cost for them to get back home wherever that they live in the province. You saw a little bit there from the Interfaith Centre, Goodwill Centre in Lewisport, and coming up on the Inside Story a little bit later in the news, you'll hear from folks there about what they would like to see from all parties when government is formed from this election. That was the end of the central leg of the Tories' campaign, and now we are in Marystown where we've just arrived, and tomorrow on the Burin Peninsula in Grand Bank, we will be attending the second Safer Communities announcement from the Tories, so I'll have more on that tomorrow.